Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Julie, and by what you guys saw in the title, today's video is gonna be an unboxing iPhone 13 Pro Max. I pre-ordered this last Friday. I honestly didn't think I was gonna pre-order it. I really wasn't thinking about it. I just kind of, I don't know, it popped up and I just did. But anyways, I don't want this video to be too long. I want it to mainly just be me showing you guys the phone. So the package is right here. Let me go ahead and open it. Should I show you guys while I open it? Okay, well, I put it a little bit more down now, but I'm gonna be comparing it to my current phone. I have the XS Max, I'm pretty sure. So, okay. Oh my god, I literally received, I ordered some phone cases and screen protectors yesterday, Monday or Tuesday, I don't know. And they got here yesterday and I wanted to open them so bad, but I was like, you know what? I just kind of have to, deal with it and open it till I get the phone, because either way, I'm not gonna be able to try on the cases, so. Open the box. Okay, so I have to get trash. So this is what the phone, oh my god, okay, it's way bigger than what I thought, and this is really slim. I've always loved Apple's packaging, and this is even though they don't sell us this anymore, this is the adapter. This is still pretty good. I'm still really liking this. I got the black one. I honestly don't know if the name is black. I just know that, I don't know, you know how they all have different names, but I'm so scared to open it. I feel like, oh my god, I feel like I shouldn't. Okay, well, here we go. It has two little tag thingies. So let's go ahead and oh my god, watch me be like that girl. I don't remember what year it was. I'm pretty sure it was 2016 or something, where I don't know if I was a girl either, but they go like this and the phone just goes.
Hi Jack, let's actually open it.
Jack! That's so funny. Oh my god. Bitch, what? Okay, this looks really, really good. I'm honestly so surprised how this looks. I'm honestly even more surprised at how the camera, the lenses look. They're just so, let me see when I'm already putting my fingerprints everywhere. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh my god, please focus. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell, but oh my god. I didn't think the quality of the lenses and just even everything about them, they look so good. I mean, compared to XS Max, it looks really good. Okay, let me take it out. Okay, it comes with, of course, the lightning port, the charger, and the little manual thing. And that's literally it. And the phone. Okay, honestly, I love how the phone looks on the sides. It's just so, I love how square it is. It's honestly pretty heavy. Compared to this one, definitely way more heavy. And this one has a phone case, pop socket, pictures, in the back of my phone. It has a lot of things, and this is just the phone. Okay, I want you guys to watch with me. Okay, before we do anything, let me put the screen protector on, because I am not gonna, no, this is not gonna happen. I am not gonna drop it or even, nothing. Okay, so I got the Insignia glass screen protectors, a 2-pack. It looks like this. So let me open it up so I can put them on. I got these from Best Buy. I'm pretty sure it was Best Buy. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm stupid. Okay, so screen protectors. It comes with like a little case thingy so it's easier to put on. All we need is one screen protector. Oh wait, I'm pretty sure it has steps. How to do this? Okay, the other one has wet wipes, dry wipes, and another one. Then like a manual. Yeah. Okay, well, we put that back in. Ooh. Oh my god, I literally have such a mess right here. Thank god you guys can't see. Look at, oh my god, I still can't believe it looks this good. I've honestly always regretted getting like a colored phone. I always wanted to go silver or the rose gold, like this one, the XS is a rose gold. And I always ended up regretting it. I don't know why, I just did. I always ended up being like, you know what, I should have gotten like black case, black phone, and like that's it. But I didn't, till now. Okay, we're cleaning it, the dry wipe. I was gonna say also I haven't turned it on, but of course you guys know that I haven't turned it on. I opened it. I opened the box on camera. I'm stupid. Okay, perfect. Screen case back on. Now screen protector. Okay, first one, the back. This sticker helps you remove the mask from the screen. Of course. I already knew it wasn't gonna go like how I wanted to. There's something right there. So honestly, I don't care. I just want my screen to be protected, so I'll have time to change it. But now it looks ugly. So you guys can see the little bubble that I left? Yeah, that one right there. Is it an actual bubble or what? Oh, okay, now it doesn't look that bad. Okay, well, screen protector's on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try my phone case. And the phone case, okay, so I got two. Wait, what the heck is this? Oh, I was like, what the heck is this? It's my pop socket. Why does it look different? Okay, well, I got a pop socket for my clear case. So I got a clear one and I got, let me just show you guys. I was literally at work today and I had to rush to like get ready and shower so I could film this video because I really wanted to be up as soon as possible. But okay, so I got the clear one and then I got a black one. So I'm definitely gonna be using this one. Let me go ahead and, how the hell do you open this? The bottom? Wait, the top? Oh, I'm done. Okay, so a sticker, peel it off. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Ooh. This is what it looks like. Phone case. Pop it off. Literally gives you instruction right there. Pop it in. So, oh, it smells new. It smells, oh, I love it. Bitch, what? Okay, well, this is pretty much it. I don't think I'm gonna open, actually, I probably should open the clear one because I don't know if it fits. Damn, this bitch is dirty. Look at this. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but look at the case. You guys can definitely see. Okay, well, never mind. You guys can't see how dirty it is, but this bitch is dirty. And it's the same brand as the screen protectors, Insignia? And it's dirty as fuck, so I mean, it looks like it'll fit. I'm gonna put the pop socket on my clear one. To be honest, I don't think I want to use my clear one. I think I want to use this one. It just looks so good, so I'm gonna be saving these. Okay, I don't know, honestly, the setup, it gave me instructions on how to set it up. I got like this email, so let me go ahead and read that. Okay, honestly, I don't know what the hell this is. It says something about, oh, let me put the camera back up. It says something about transferring something, but I thought that was what iCloud was for. Oh, anyways, let me compare it. So this one, honestly, way bigger than this one. Well, it feels way bigger. Like, it's a little bit, like a slight bigger than this one, like the screen, but I don't know, I feel like it just feels bigger because of how heavy it is. Like, this bitch is heavy. Set up your new device. Current T-Mobile customers upgrading to a new device. You get a new SIM card. No. So that's it. I just have to turn it on. Okay, well. It's here. Let me take a thumbnail. Wait, hold up. Okay guys, well, I'm literally just setting up my phone now. Hopefully it's faster and easier than what I remember, because I feel like last time when I did the same with this, it just wasn't working. It kind of dragged, but hopefully everything goes smooth. But yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing for the video. I would talk more about the phone, but honestly, I think this is like the 100 and something gigabyte, and that's literally the only thing that I know about it. I don't know anything about, you know, the RAM or whatever the hell the other things are. So if you're looking for something like that, then this is not your video. But I mean, I'm pretty sure there's way more videos out now about this phone, so check those out. If you guys enjoyed watching today's video, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, then please make sure to subscribe. You guys already know where the button is. If you're not notified whenever I upload, then make sure you click the little bell button so you're notified. Thank you guys so much for watching and keeping up, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.